Alright guys, we got 2 or 3 ACs to check out today. And I got a 2-hour drive, but we're going to the beach. So let's head out there. I think they have leaks and other issues, and we'll see what happens. Oh my God. I didn't even do anything. Ah, shit. Alright, we're by the beach, so you can tell all the corrosion, and I'm checking probably all of them, even though that one's new. I think there's leaks. So we're gonna hopefully be able to do a quick leak search and just see what they need here. Alright, so we got a lot of water on this back one. Filters are okay. Blower's running. This one's probably dry. It's all messed up. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. This is a new one. I hope this one's not leaking. That one might be dry too. Alright. That one's disconnected too. This one's off. It's running, but it's off. Alright, so let's see if this one's calling. I just noticed this one was off. Oh, what the hell? Okay, fans on. No, we're not calling. I gotta see if there's anything obvious and I'll gauge up. So let's gauge up. So the standing pressure on these are pretty fine. I'll see if it kicks on while I'm checking the other ones. If not, we'll turn it on. Alright guys, so I've been searching. This thing is dry. Took these off. I checked all here. It's all good. The only thing is I'm by the beach, so there's a lot of rust and stuff, corrosion, all that. I checked the evaporator. Everything's pretty clean. I finally started getting a hit, but I'm trying to get it with the bubbles. See there, I'm getting all the way basically. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's real bad. Alright. And you can tell this one's like rusted out, so that's suspicion right there. This one's fine. But like I said, I have it covered in bubbles, so it's probably in a weird angle. Gonna try and like drown it. Oh, there it is. So we got a leak, a pretty bad one on the dryer. Alright, so that took way too long. I should have known it was there, but like I said, it took me forever to get it hit. And the bubbles, I was spraying what I could, and it's actually like kind of on the back side there. So another guy came out and topped it off, so if you're topping off anything, you have to know that there's a leak somewhere. And we finally found it. I'm not close to home, so I'll see if I can do it real quick. Okay, this is the front one. I still got to see if this one has a leak, because he said he topped off this one too. And I was gonna check the dryers, of course, but I'm like, what the heck? There is 2 circuits and 1 dryer. I don't know what happened here. I can't even tell where they cut it out. These are 2 different circuits. Well, here's a strap. Somebody's worked on it. I don't know where the hell the dryer is. I might have to put one in this one. Okay, so this one never turned on at all. They did top it off, but I can't find the leak. I'm gonna keep looking. And I don't know if you can see, we are getting 26 volts. To my blower, we are getting 26 volts too. And my wire was loose up here. It actually came off. And there's like a jumper there. I'm gonna try and fix all that right now. But even when I checked that wire, that blue wire was my Y1. I'm only getting 8 volts. So I gotta go check out that thermostat. And maybe we can get it on at least. I don't see any leaks right now. Alright, so before I went back down, I don't want to get blamed for anything if it started raining again, because we were supposed to get rain actually, but it's sunny. So I used some shirt tape that I had. I don't know what I did with my other roll, but I had this one at least, and yeah, I'm telling him to replace it. I just don't want to get blamed, because if not, this whole thing would be open. And I'm gonna go down, check the thermostat. Alright, so I don't know if you could see, I'll look at the footage later. Thermostat's reading 49 degrees, 50 degrees, and it's not even that in there, it's like 80 in there. And there is an extra wire that I think I can use for the second stage. So I'm gonna put in a 2-stage thermostat. These are the ones that we normally put in anyway. And hook it back up as a 2-stage, because they use a single-stage thermostat. And we'll get this one going, and then I'm probably gonna do that dryer right now. I'm gonna wire this the way it should be and get rid of this jumper that they have. It's not even on there. I already have the power off. So I used yellow as my Y1. Make sure they're all secure, and I use blue as my Y2. So now all of that is good, wired the way it should be. Make sure nothing is touching. And this one should work. Wait for the delay. Still can't find a leak on this one, so I'm gonna let it run and I'll be back. So yeah, basically, like I said, I'll let this one run. The one that needs a dryer, I'm just gonna come back. I really wanted to do it today, but it's already gonna be 5. It's a Saturday. I'm losing daylight, even though I know the sun's out a little later. I'll come back in the morning during the week. I also gotta get my van checked. It's acting up a little bit, so I don't wanna be driving back too late either. And I'll have it looked at Monday or something, and then I'll come back during the week for that leak. Just make sure this one turns on after the delay, and we should be good. Like I said, I wanted to do it today, but sometimes you gotta think, and you can't be a hero all the time. I'm happy that I got this one going. It was just wired wrong, and that thermostat was at, it said it was 50 when it wasn't, so it never turned on. This middle one is new. I don't see any issues with it. And I'm just gonna check temps on, well, on all of them, I guess, before I leave. And I'll just talk to him that I'll be back. How many of y'all noticed I put the wrong damn wire on the wrong terminal? I'm just gonna do it hot. Now we're fine. So this one's running, getting cold already. Check the supply and return right now. So that's it for today. If everything goes according to my plan, you will see the repair in a few seconds. But if not, then somebody beat me to it. It's just a filter dryer that's leaking. It's rusted out. Like I said, we're by the beach. These are corroded units already. One is new. The other two are not that bad. The one in the middle, that was old. It was beyond repair. I remember that one. And I mean, you can see what happens over here by the beach. I don't work a lot out here, so I don't see that too often, but I know it happens. This is like our only location out here, I think, that I do work at. But if I don't come back, it's because somebody else here to replace the dryer, and I couldn't get back to it. So.